What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I usually don't do mini twist outs or mini twists, but I wanted to do a protective style to give my hair a break. So as you can see, I'm just taking down the twist. I did wash my hair in sections, and I also detangle it in sections because my curls are so tight that it's just a lot faster this way. So now I'm just going to start with my leave-in conditioner after sectioning. I forgot my hair clip, so that's what I'm getting now. So like I said, my hair is freshly washed now. It is still a little bit damp, but I didn't want it to be too wet, so the drying process wasn't like 48 hours. So I'm just going to start by using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner, layering that first. And then on top of that, I'm using the Obia Naturals Curl Enhancing Custard just to hold the twist in place. I really love this product because it's moisturizing, it doesn't leave my hair super dry, and whenever I do decide to take the twist out, it's going to leave my curls super defined as well. Okay, so now that I finished twisting my hair, I'm just going to go in with these medium-sized ponytail holders and stretch my hair out. The method that I'm using is called the banding method, and you just take multiple ponytail holders and stretch your hair out, or just like tie them around the length of your hair. I don't know if that makes sense, but you'll see what I'm talking about. This is a great way to stretch your hair out without using direct heat. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.